Caucasian. Like how they make them peas fly. He with them Asians. I'm in it for the long ride, no hesitation. I'm waiting for a long time for being famous. I wake up every day, I swear to God I make a play. They lining up for nuggets like this shit is Chick-fil-A. I'm scoring all these buckets like I'm in the NBA.
Got a Catfish Camaro in here. What the fuck? I don't like Camaros. Today we're installing this vintage air heater system. Cody's finishing up some plumbing now, doing that heater valve thing. What's that thing called again?
It's like an actuator. It like turns the fluid on and off.
They wired up a relay and stuff this morning, finished up some wiring. Looks nice and pretty. This is her open header. They got their hoses ran all nicely.
Okay, we got the Catfish Camaro in the garage. Just put it up on some wood. Got the exhaust shit there. And under yonder, we're starting to mock stuff up. Play with it a little bit. One of the pipes had a monster dent in it right where it connects to the header. So we got a stud welder and sliding hammer. It's definitely moving a little bit. This is the passenger header, the collector. You can see that rust line right there, and that's where the old exhaust used to sit on there. This is as far as I can get it to go on this damn header, where we're having a problem with the exhaust being too long and not clearing the rear down there. But I think we figured it out. That's one there, passenger side is one there, and muffler dinghy is one there, and it clears the rear now. On the pieces you just seen that are mocked up, he's getting some tacks on them, just a couple. And then we're gonna start fitting up the next piece, and we're just tacking them up so they don't move around while we're jiggling shit.
Hey, hey, I be in the trap, I be serving like every day. I just wake up and I go make me another play.
We got the muffler thingy on. It goes up and over the axle. Slips through that tiny little hole. Then it splits off again. We gotta figure out a mount for there. This side already had the hanger, so I just slipped it literally right up one in there. It goes to that side. That side's got the extension piece. I don't know where the other one is, but you see the point. You see how it's gonna look. It's getting there. We got the exhaust back out from under the car. We got a whole bunch of tacks done. This is the Y pipe, obviously. The driver's side come with a monster dent, and we had got a good old tack there. The midsection with the muffler goes there. We got a tack there and one on the other side, and then that goes up and over the rear, so we're not welding that. That'll be clamped. Here's the other piece of pipe, tailpipe, and this is the crossover area, whatever. It's welded there and there. Well, it was on the car when we welded it. Now it's gonna be.
Hey, hey, yeah, hey, hey. When it come to making money, got my own rules. Got my own trap, own whip, thought I told you. You was doing all that flaw shit, I should expose you. I'm just running it up in the trap, I'm doing what I'm supposed to. Hey, hey, smoke me, pussy, I'll smoke you. If I catch you in the store, then tell me what you gon' do. I'm grinding like the rent due. I'm smacking shit up at the parkers like I'm Babe Ruth. Hey, but I would never be the one that ever try to play you. Replace you, a fake, you a snake, you a hate you. See, I'm the type to motivate and show you what the pay.
God, why does it just work and then not work? It doesn't make sense.